Hi, this is Rekha Morar. I'm originally from India, now in USA, near Nashville, Tennessee. I used to work in IT. I was a software developer for many years. IT jobs can be very demanding, and sometimes you had to work weekends during upgrades and stuff. So, I missed out on a lot of family time. Luckily, I had some help from my husband, so it wasn't as bad. But still, vacation time was limited. So I started looking at different options. Last year, I ran into this ad which says watch free webinar and be your own boss. I'm like, that really caught my attention. So I watched the webinar 3 different times with different people and hear the testimony from different people. And I was convinced that this is exactly what I needed. So I jumped in, I started my business, and I am learning so much. I would have never done a video like this last year. So my confidence level is just grown tremendously. I'm learning something new every day. Best thing about this business is you're not alone. It's your own business, but you're not alone. You have a mentor, you have a coach, and you have the whole community, which is always ready to help you whenever you need something. You don't need to be tech savvy. Training is step by step, and then you can go according to your pace. So if you're working full time and want to do this, it's fine. You can just do it at your pace because it's all video based training. So if you want to check it out, go ahead and register on the website and take the next step and check the full business out. All you have to do is just sign up. If you don't like it, then it's fine. At least you looked into it and checked it out. Thanks.